So here it is, my collector's edition of the Wine Folly Master Guide. I ordered it specially from America. Came with a special pre-order price, and also it was hand-signed by Madeline herself if you did pre-order it. So let's have a look in the box. When you open up the box, on the inside of the lid there's this white sticker here which shows that this is a limited edition of 10,000, of which mine's number 1021. There's also a quote that I quite liked as well, which is from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, Willy Wonka, welcoming the golden ticket holders. So I think the idea is that this is your golden ticket to the world of wine. Let's have a look and see what my golden ticket gets me. First of all, you've got this lovely ribbon bookmark here, so you can keep your place in the book. Then we've got this fantastic Austrian glass here, which has the maker's name etched in the base of the glass there. But more importantly, it's got Wine Folly's tasting measurements here. So you've got 75 mils and 150 mils, which I think must be the American version of tasting measurements from a glass. But that's great that you've got that. Then we have the book itself, which, because I pre-ordered the American edition and it was shipped all the way from America, it was hand-signed by Madeline there on the inside of the cover. She's got a very cool signature there. So hidden underneath the book we've got some goodies as well. First of all, we've got this fantastic lint-free glass polishing cloth which has some things printed on it. Let's open that up. Okay, so it's very good size. So on one side of the tasting cloth, of the cleaning cloth, sorry, we've got a sort of full-size poster printed here about the different glassware you can get and some good practice when it comes to caring for your glasses and serving your wine. And also there's even one in the bottom right-hand corner there about the proper way to toast your glasses so you don't break them or make too much noise, which I thought was quite funny. And then there's even more treasures underneath the polishing cloth. We've got this fantastic journal here, this personal tasting journal, which is a lot better quality than I was expecting actually. It's embossed and it's got this lovely sort of imprint with tasting journal printed on the front in gold. And inside it's got the protocol for tasting wine professionally and how to make the best use of your practices at tasting and your wine tasting notes there. And it's got lots of pages in this, so it'll keep you busy for a while. You should get a few hundred wines in there, reds and whites and sparkling. And then finally, what every wine lover can never have too many of, is one of these bottle openers. Now I've got this particular design, it's a Cooltail Sommelier one, and it's really useful because it's double levered, so it's really easy to sort of lever the cork out, so I've never had any problems with these. This is actually my favourite design, so I'm really happy it's one of the Cooltail double levered ones. Again, this is really nice. It's sort of matte black with a very smart gold print, Wine Folly Magnum edition on there. That's fantastic, yeah, so I'll pop that there. So that's my early Christmas present to myself, the Wine Folly Collector's Magnum edition Master Guide, and I'm really happy with it. It's great quality. All the stuff in there is really great, especially the tasting journal. That's my particular favourite, along with the hardback book.